HELIMIX shaker cups are officially shutting down. Now, HELIMIX was just bought by Yeti for $38 million, and this means that all HELIMIX shaker bottles are being discontinued, but now you can get them for 40% off with free shipping up till November 27th, and after that, there will be no more HELIMIX shaker cups ever.
I heard this news earlier today, and I honestly thought it was a joke. I have legitimately only used HELIMIXes for the last 4 years. But you know who I really feel bad for is the people that had signature bottles. Because I know how much a signature product can mean to people. But if you do like HELIMIXes, I would get them right now because, as Charlie says,
these bottles are going extremely fast. I actually talked to somebody at HELIMIX today, and they said that these bottles are not going to last until November 27th.
So this will be my last HELIMIX ad ever made, but I hope you enjoy it. TNFO.